Rush away, unveiling the meaning. Hello dear viewers. Today, we'll be diving into the world of English phrases, and our focus for this video is the phrase, rush away. Have you ever heard someone use it? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Before understanding the phrase as a whole, let's look at the two words individually. Rush. This word often means to move or act with haste, quickly, or without delay. Away. It generally implies movement from a place or position. When combined, the phrase brings together the essence of both words, but let's dig a bit deeper. The phrase, rush away, typically means to leave or depart quickly or suddenly. It often implies that the departure is due to an urgency or sudden need. For example, after the phone call, Jane had to rush away from the meeting. I couldn't chat for long because I had to rush away to catch the bus. Both these sentences showcase a scenario where there is an urgency to leave. This phrase can be used in various contexts, both literal and figurative. Here are a few examples. 1. Literal use. Describing a physical, hurried movement. 2. As soon as the rain started, the kids rushed away from the playground. 3. Figurative use. Sometimes, it might describe an emotional or mental state. 4. His thoughts rushed away to the good times they had together. It's essential to use the phrase correctly. Here are common mistakes to avoid. Not using for sudden departures. The essence of the phrase is the element of suddenness or urgency. It isn't just about leaving. It's about leaving quickly. Confusing with similar phrases, rush away is different from rush to. While rush away emphasizes leaving a place, rush to emphasizes moving towards a destination. And that wraps up our discussion on the phrase, rush away. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to use it confidently in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening. Remember, language is an ever-evolving entity, and the more phrases you know, the richer your conversations become. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.